I'm Jen. Thank you so much for visiting my shop.
That looks like a really neat basement shop.
Thank you. This is where I do my scroll saw work. I've also been playing around on the bandsaw and in general just getting my craft on down here.
What are you doing today?
Well, why don't you let me show you? Come along.
When making pom-poms, I discovered a trick. Crochet thread really helps them stay together. Typically mine would fall all apart, but when I used this crochet thread, it really made them work well. Though it doesn't help when your cat decides to help you make your pom-poms. I'm not sure you can see here, but I'm using packing tape to hold the multiple pieces of wood together. Steve Good, which I'll include a link to his site below, recommends using that to keep the wood or the blade from burning the wood. I find that it really helps. You also need to use blue tape and adhesive to attach your design. He also has a different, easier way to attach designs, but I think this works for me.
Thanks for sticking with me during my craft projects. I appreciate you hanging in there. I really enjoyed watching you do the bunnies. They were so cute. You like the bunnies? You want to see one?
Obviously, I was playing around in that scene, trying to figure out how to do something where it looks like I'm actually talking to somebody else. Not quite there yet. I'll include a link of someone who's actually done it well.